Good morning, one and all. Today discuss the topic energy losses in a transformer. Transformer பொறுத்த வரையிலும் do not have any moving part. So that efficiency means much higher than the generator and motors. So some energy leader in the transformer. So that time energy losses in a transformer. So one is the core loss or iron loss. Second one is the copper loss. Third one is the flux leakage. Core loss means here the transformer core means the hysteresis losses and eddy current loss are known as the core loss or iron loss. So transformer core is magnetized and demagnetized. Already we know the transformer core. Here applied the input alternating voltage mean that time the transformer core is magnetized. After it is demagnetized. So here we can energy losses in the form of the hysteresis. So that time we are avoid the hysteresis loss means. So hysteresis means some energy losses in the form of the heat. So how to minimize the hysteresis losses means we are using the transformer core means that is the steel of the high silicon content in making of the transformer core. So we are using the silicon steel. So that time we are minimize the core loss or hysteresis loss. After that alternating magnetic flux in the core means induce the eddy current. Here we can apply the alternating voltage means here it is produce the alternating magnetic flux. So that time produce the eddy current. So we know the eddy current means to produce the heat energy. So that time we are avoid the eddy current means we are using the very thin lamination of the transformer core. Now here it is using the very thin lamination core. So that time we are minimized the eddy current loss. So one is the transformer core, it is made up by silicon steel. Another one is the very thin lamination of the transformer core. So avoid the core or iron loss. So now moving to the copper loss. Copper loss means that transformer winding have the electrically resistance. So that time the electrical current flowing in a resistance means here it is produce the heat energy due to the Joule's heating effect. So that time we are avoid the energy means here the minimize the copper loss. We are using the wire means it is a larger diameter. Larger diameter. That means it is the thick wires. So we are avoid the copper loss means we are using the larger diameter of the wire. So after that it is moving to the flux leakage. Flux leakage பொறுத்த வரையிலும் the magnetic lines of the primary coil are not completely linked with the secondary coil. So that time energy losses due to the flux leakage. How to minimize the flux leakage means the coil, wounding the coil means one over to another, or we are using the cell type of the coil. But that winding means that coil one over to another. So that time we are avoid the flux leakage. So these are the energy losses in the transformer. One is the core loss, another one is the copper loss, another one is the flux leakage. So this is the energy losses in a transformer.